It's a staple in military video games like Ace Combat, DCS World, and War Thunder. The U.S. Air Force's Thunderbirds demonstration team has flown the F-16 since 1983. It's one of the most photographed aircraft at air shows worldwide. Aviation fans around the world build F-16 scale models and simulators. The F-16 has inspired multiple international variants, including South Korea's KF-16, Turkey's Block 50+, and India's proposed F-21. It's used by over 20 active national aerobatic teams around the globe.